So another video on the Ford. My friends actually just came by. We got the battery all charged up. I'm going to put it here. And I still don't know what it is. It sometimes cranks over, sometimes doesn't. I don't really know what it would be though. Yeah, so as you heard that noise, I still don't know what it would be. Battery now has power, but it's not fully cranking over. I might think alternator. I don't think it's an issue with the starter much, but I don't know, give your opinions below and let me know.